Andy is an RE user who wants to use the picture-in-picture feature to run a bot. He wants to try this new feature because he wants to be productive while his bots are running, since in the past, when a bot ran on his desktop, it took over his desktop. He logs into the RE Assistant and views the 2 bots that he can run. He needs to create several cases in Salesforce, so he launches a bot to automate this task. The RE Assistant launches the bot in a separate virtual window on his desktop. Since the bot is running in a separate virtual window, Andy can continue to use his desktop. The bot logs in to Salesforce, but Andy can continue to use his mouse and keyboard to perform other tasks. While the bot creates cases, Andy can use other applications on his desktop, such as Excel. He can minimize the virtual window if he chooses. The bot continues to run uninterrupted while Andy updates Excel. If he wants to interact with the bot, he can click the edit icon. Andy can be productive on his desktop while the bot runs in the virtual window. After the bot creates the cases, it logs out of Salesforce, and the bot completes. Once the bot completes, the virtual session automatically terminates. Let's see how PIP was enabled. Duncan is an RE admin who wants to enable the PIP feature for his team. He has created a bot that logs into Salesforce, and he wants to enable this bot for PIP. Here is the bot. He checks in the Salesforce login bot. The bot is now in the public repository and is available for bot runners. Duncan switches to the RE interface. As the admin, he creates the RE team. He gives the team a name, and he will assign roles and the new bot to this team. Users belonging to these roles will be able to run the Salesforce login bot. Andy is an RE user with the RE runner role. Now Duncan will add the Salesforce login bot to his team. Then he will configure the bot to use PIP. Finally, the bot is added to the team. He is done. He will check the team configuration to ensure that it looks fine. The team is configured properly. He closes the team and logs out. Andy belongs to the sales team that Duncan recently created. He logs in to the RE Assistant and observes the new bot available to him. He launches it and observes that the new bot does indeed launch in a virtual window that is completely separate from his desktop. The bot runs in this virtual window and logs in to Salesforce. Andy wants to interact with the virtual session, so he clicks the edit icon. Upon doing so, Andy can interact with the bot. He can close windows in the virtual session, click on tabs within Salesforce, and perform other actions. When the bot completes, the virtual session automatically closes. Congratulations! You have just learned how to configure Automation 360 to use PIP.